Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about the Tanova ventilated drawer range. Tanova's ventilated drawers really are a unique product. We developed them here in New Zealand after talking to Kiwi designers and kitchen makers, and they're both stylish looking and robustly made. This makes them suitable for domestic use like kitchens, pantries, sculleries, laundries, home offices, bedrooms, and also in light commercial applications like salons, clinics, offices, schools, and so on. Tanova ventilated drawers run on strong, high quality king slide soft close slides with either a 25 kg or a 34 kg load rating, depending on the model. The basket itself is made from powder coated steel and they have ventilated sides, great for airflow and keeping those veggies fresh longer, or to stop those clothes or shoes getting musty. The drawer base is solid, so there's no drips or dust dropping through into the next drawer down. These stylish drawers come in two widths for cabinets 450mm wide and 600mm wide. They come in three heights and two front to back depths. They're also available off the shelf in two great color options, white and coal dust gray. But here's something really cool. Tanova ventilated drawers can also be custom made in the color of your choice from the Dulux range. So you can go wild with funky colors or match them perfectly to other items. Best of all, the entire range carries the official New Zealand made license.